What's good, gang? Today we're gonna be seeing this 5-minute clip about me joining a public server and crashing it out with low taper fade bombs, RPGs, shotguns, and other like. It's a nice blade. Chicken jockey.
What's up, bro? Wait, she said
chicken jockey.
What's up, bro?
Chicken jockey.
War
Chicken
5.
jockey.
Everybody join War 5. There's loads of rat
Chicken jockey. You be quiet, June.
No.
You're telling me to shut up, June.
You're going to my side.
Stand ready for my arrival, worm. Stand ready for my arrival, worm. You got juked. Ooh, that was clipped. That was clipped.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. What was clipped? What did you just do? Now do it again.
Ooh, that was clipped. Ooh, clipped. Clipped on video.
Where did my stick go?
Right on video.
Kill me, get this bag.
Right on video, bro. You
Kill me, can get this bag.
Bro's caught lacking on camera. Bro's caught lacking on camera.
I want to join.
I want to join a giveaway. I do.
Bro's caught lacking. Not me. Someone else. What are you talking about? Just join. Chicken jockey. If someone can kill me, I'll give you a free chicken jockey.
Whoever can kill me.
I'll give you a chicken jockey if you kill me, bro.
Whoever can kill me, can get this bag. I'm standing right here.
I bet. No.
It's a galaxy suitcase, red, green. It's froggy.
Where's that backpack? Oh, juke.
You guys think this is stupid. Don't get away,
My backpack. Oh, juke. Weave. Oh, you died. Me. Who killed me? Who did that? Who killed me? Who killed me?
Me, I didn't do it.
I bet.
Watch the join me, my friend.
I didn't do it. What do you mean, bro?
Yeah, why would it be you? Like, you seem like a nice guy.
No, don't do it.
Yeah, I just went into it.
You wouldn't, right? You wouldn't, right? Why do you kill me? No. You wouldn't again, right? You wouldn't again, right?
You rebel!
Don't touch my truck! 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 You won't.
I won't.
Hey, bro. I do it.
Yo, guys.
My dick is bigger one. Can I have one?
Yeah, you won't.
You won't
I'm
drop it. You
bigger
won't drop it. He's pussy.
Can I have one?
I'm a sub. He's pussy.
That's not how baseball works.
Case, please. I have a yellow suitcase.
Wait, watch this home run. Watch this home run.
Sticky red dynamite. What should you trade this for a cardboard box? What should you trade this for a cardboard
Can I
box?
get a suitcase?
I wonder who blew him up.
Yo, bro, you want to trade for a cardboard? What should you trade a cardboard box for cardboard. This? I don't have no cardboard.
Ain't no way, bro.
We have no cardboard. Hey, want to shiny crate?
Ain't no way I just took someone's baseball bat.
There you go.
No, open it. I'll give you one.
I'll get you a different one, pink.
We're both going down!
Here. Don't cry, little monkey. Where'd the little monkey go?
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
I'm here.
Here, I'll give you
Top 5 reasons why I should join company house.
There you go.
Who's company house?
Yeah, who was that?
Wait, who's company house?
Who was that?
Company house is like
Who's
a.
company house?
It's like a It's like a Discord server. It's like a group of people in this game. Hey, give me 5 more reasons. Give me 5 more reasons.
I'm him.
5 reasons.
Skibbity toilet.
I'm glad it wasn't me. No, no, no. Ah, weave. Ah, weave. Hey, tell them that. Tell them
First
that.
reason is I have big cock. Number 2, I eat drugs. Number 3, I like alcohol. Number 4, I like getting a company. And number 5, I like big cats. Easy.
Look, I'm collecting them.
Show
I'm
me
getting
your
money.
top 5 reasons why you should not die. It has to be
Skibbity
funny.
toilet, I'm him. Frizz, Gat, Cringe Waffle,
Alright,
and I'm gonna get you money.
give me the second.
I'm gonna get you money.
Tell me third.
The lava hurts.
Look at me. Wrong answer.